If you're watching this from YouTube, welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, in this particular episode of Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2021, I'm going to be going over the one thing that you must never do in your marketing, no matter what it is that you're selling. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. Now, before I get right into this one thing that you must never do, I want to ask you a question. Or more like, tell me if you've ever been in this kind of situation before. You may have been on the receiving end of this, or maybe you might have actually been the one to do this. Now, let's keep it within the context of Facebook Messenger. Have you ever had anybody friend request you on Facebook? You may or may not have accepted that request, but you decide to message them, or that person messages you. And you find that the other person just gets right into the pitch. They start telling you what they're doing, what company they're involved in, what they're marketing, and they ask you if you're interested. So they go right into the pitch. Or sometimes these people will have a little bit of a conversation with you, just a little bit. And then they'll tell you that they're interested in getting on a video call with you. And that itself presents an opportunity for them to pitch you into whatever it is that they're selling. How many times have you found yourself in that kind of situation? Because I found myself in that kind of situation plenty of times. And to be honest with you, it's so annoying. I see people do this again and again. And some people, they just don't learn. These people are just so focused on just making that sale, making that quick buck, signing up that lead that they believe they're getting. And they don't take the time to actually have the conversation. Can you relate to this? Is this hitting home with you? Because this is something that needs to be talked about. I don't care what it is that you're selling. If you're just blatantly pitching whoever it is that you're talking to, and you're doing all these little things to cut corners just to make a sale, just to get a sign up, this kind of strategy is not going to help you get very far in your marketing. You want to be successful in this industry, you got to take the time to learn how marketing works and do it right. Otherwise, go find something else to do, because if you don't want to actually take the time to market and learn how it works, then this is something that's not for you. But, however, if you are listening and you're still here, what can you do instead? Instead of just blatantly pitching from the first point of contact, the first message, or doing all these little things to cut corners to see about making a sale. Pay very close attention to this. What you want to do instead of just blatantly pitching or doing any cheap amateur marketing tactic for that matter, do the following. Don't focus on the sale. Focus on whether or not there's a sale to be made. I'll repeat that again. Don't focus on the sale. Focus on whether or not there's a sale to be made. Now, how do you go about implementing that in your business? By having the conversation like a normal human being. It doesn't take a whole lot to do. You can talk normally. You can talk like a real human being rather than some pre-scripted robot. Because unfortunately, that's what I'm hearing a lot of people talk like, a lot of these people that I talk to on Messenger. And it's irritating. It needs to stop. If you're looking to be successful in this in the long term, you need to do it right. We need to get past this, and we need to actually learn how to be a marketer, not just another affiliate looking to make a quick buck. So don't focus on the sale. Focus on whether or not there's a sale to be made by having the conversation. What happens if you don't have that conversation? What will happen? You won't find out not only anything about that other person, but you also won't find out if they're struggling, if they even have a need for what it is that you're selling. That's what it means to focus on whether or not there's a sale to be made. You got to take your time to have the conversation with the other person. If you don't do that, you're going to be struggling and getting traction going in your business. So don't focus on the sale. Focus on whether or not there's a sale to be made by having a normal conversation with the other person like a normal human being. Ask them questions that are going to help you better get to know the other person and find out what it is that they're struggling with. Or if they're even looking for something else other than whatever it is that they're doing right now. Take this to heart going forward. And if you're curious to know, if you'd like to learn what you can do right now to better your marketing efforts on social media, this is what I would like you to do. There will be a link directly below in the video description for my number one recommendation for a total life transformation business. I want you to click on that link, opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation on it. Watch that video presentation all the way through, lock in your spot, and get positioned as soon as possible so that you can get access to the course that can help you better your skills with social media and how to actually have a conversation with the people that you wish to recruit in your business. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. Have an amazing day, wherever you may be, whatever time that you're watching this from. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.